SGILE Robot Toy Programmable Smart Infrared Sensing Robot for Kids Birthday Gift Present Blue. This fits your. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Gesture sensing. The remote control robot toy has a gesture sensing function. The sensor receiver zone on the chest can respond quickly after receiving various gesture commands and move forward, backward, left and right accordingly. Programming. The programmable kids robot toy has a one-button programming function that can demonstrate a set of actions that the child enters through the remote control and can input up to 50 motion commands so that kids can play their own imagination and play patrol. After the patrol function is activated, the fun robot toy will move freely to observe with its built-in sensor. The intelligent robot can detect and avoid obstacles and counter to avoid potential collisions. Sing and dance. The robot toy has a pair of bright LED eyes which can not only walk, slide but also have the function of singing and dancing. Dynamic music and dance will bring more fun to children. Battery. The robot can play for 60 minutes after charging for about 120 minutes, and you can easily charge it using the USB cable that comes with the robot. Note: use a 5 volts output charger with the include USB cable to charge the robot. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below to see more. Thank you.